back to another YouTube video. I know my last short got probably like 120 likes. I want to see if this video can get 20 subscribers under 7 days. I'm doing a toy review. Okay. You know this that I probably didn't show it, but I'm gonna zoom in.
No, I can zoom in.
Okay, so you see these bikes? Look at this. You see this? You see this little dot in his hands? And you see this? Put it in to put it in. And I just noticed. Look at the back carefully. You see these little lines? They're literally the same lines that are on his chest. Okay. Now you see the eyes? You see the head? Look. Right here. See these little bumps? These are iron plates. They're not actually made out of iron. I got this today. Okay. So you cannot move the legs, and you can't take off this because this is not a sticker. It is painted on. So yeah, guys, that is the whole review. See you in my next video. Bye.